U.S. President Barack Obama is traveling Monday to the far northeastern state of Alaska to meet with residents and deliver an address at a conference where U.S. and foreign officials, scientists and locals are gathering to discuss the effects of climate change on the Arctic region. The goal of the Glacier Conference, according to the White House, is to boost awareness of how the effects of higher temperatures in the Arctic are affecting the rest of the world and what people can do in response. In his weekly presidential address, Mr. Obama said Alaskans are already experiencing the effects of climate change.
More frequent and extensive wildfires, bigger storm surges as sea ice melts faster, some of the swiftest shoreline erosion in the world, in some places more than 3 feet a year. Alaska's glaciers are melting faster too, threatening tourism and adding to rising seas. And if we do nothing, Alaskan temperatures are projected to rise between 6 and 12 degrees by the end of the century, changing all sorts of industries forever.
The U.S. State Department is hosting Monday's conference and said that while it has no direct relations to UN talks later this year to try to create a binding plan for addressing climate change, the talks will help drive political will. The conference comes on the heels of a report from the U.S. space agency NASA, which released data showing sea levels are rising faster as a result of global warming. NASA's Josh Willis says it will continue to do so.
We expect it to continue. As the planet heats up, the oceans are going to respond, and the ice sheets and glaciers, which melt and contribute to sea level rise, are also responding to the warming climate.
Scientists have warned that letting global temperatures rise more than 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels will bring extreme weather and rising seas that would affect populations all over the world. Sessions at Monday's conference will include issues of science cooperation, renewable energy, strengthening emergency responses, and preventing unregulated fishing in Arctic seas.